Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, I'm going to share with you one of my favorite recipe, stuffed yam with ground beef barbecue and sauteed cabbage. This is a filling, tasty, nourishing recipe for any day of the week. It's so easy to make and it's so flavorful. So let's get started. I've got about 4 yams. What we're gonna do next, we need to give them a good wash. Scrub them really hard, guys. Then place on a paper towel. Repeat with the remaining yams, then pat them dry with the paper towel. Next, we are going to microwave yams for 8 minutes, turning them halfway through. If the yams are not fork tender after 8 minutes, continue to cook them in 30-second increments. Some people prick the yams with a fork before microwaving them. I personally don't do that, guys, because I can keep an eye on the potatoes and make sure that they don't burst in the microwave. Now let's move on to the stove to cook the ground beef. I have a Dutch oven over medium-high heat. I'm gonna add in ground beef. Then using a wooden spoon, I'm gonna break the ground beef into small chunks, just like so, guys. Cook the ground beef until it turns brown. Next, we are going to add in red onions, cook the onions until they're soft and translucent and the ground beef is no longer pink. Season with salt and black pepper. Continue to cook, stirring frequently. The other way, guys, to cook your yams is to bake them. If you don't like to microwave your yams, you can bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes to an hour. That depends on the size of the yams. This dish is my husband's favorite, guys. He loves it. I love it too. I know you're gonna love it. I hope you'll try it, guys. Next, we are adding in a barbecue sauce. Mix everything, cook for a minute, then our dish is done. Cut the cabbage into thin slices. Just like so, guys. Now let's head to the stove to cook the cabbage. In a medium skillet, add 1 tablespoon of oil. As soon as it starts sizzling, add cabbage and cook over medium-high heat for 3 minutes. Season with salt and black pepper and continue to stir fry. We don't want this cabbage to overcook, guys. We want it on the crunchy side. Add red pepper flakes. Stir for 1 minute. If you are enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up, guys. The cabbage is done. Now it's time to assemble the yams. Cut the yam in half, not all the way through, then crosswise. Open the yam. Use a fork to flap the yam, just like so. Top with ground beef. And cabbage. Then we're gonna finish it off with chopped parsley. There you have it, guys. Barbecue ground beef stuffed yam with sauteed cabbage. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Mama B's Kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye.